Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with GitHub for Actions secrets step by step clearly. Open your GitHub repository in your web browser. Navigate to the Settings tab located at the top of the page. Scroll down on the left sidebar and click on Secrets and Variables. Select Actions from the drop-down menu. Once on the Actions Secrets page, click on the green New Repository Secret button. In the name field, enter a descriptive name for your secret. Be sure the name is in uppercase letters, as GitHub recommends this format. Next, input your secret value in the value field. Double-check your secret value for accuracy. After entering the secret value, click on the Add Secret button to save. Now, navigate to your workflow YAML file in the repository. Open the YAML file where you want to use the secret. To reference your secret, use the syntax secrets.name_of_secret. Replace name_of_secret with the name you provided earlier. Save the changes to your YAML file. Commit and push the changes to your repository. Your GitHub Actions workflow is now authorized to use the added secret. To test, trigger the workflow and monitor the results. Verify that the secret has been accessed correctly in your action. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.